Welcome back! Today we will make yogurt sauce with thyme and dill. Let's look at the ingredients. It's super simple, you only need 5 things. 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and salt. Let's look at the steps to make this recipe. It's super simple. You will take the tiny thyme leaves off from the stem and chop finely. The next step is to pour the yogurt in a bowl and mix well with the spices. Then add the olive oil and also salt to your taste. Once you have mixed everything, pour it in a jar. This will help you to keep it fresh for future uses. You can add it to your salads, or you can also use it as a dip for vegetables or any other appetizer. We serve this sauce with our fried tofu recipe. You can find this other recipe in future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time!